Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you a flight test video of the Skydroid G30 and the CUAV 7 Nano. Products used in this flight test: CUAV Neo 4C GPS, CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller, Skydroid G30 Remote Controller. Pre-flight preparation. Power on the drone without installing the propellers first. The G30 remote controller features a 10.1-inch industrial touchscreen with a resolution of 1920x1200 and excellent sunlight readability. Thanks to its large screen and high screen-to-body ratio, real-time information remains clearly visible even under bright sunlight. Open Skydroid GCS on the controller, unlock the motors and check whether the motor rotation directions are correct. After confirming everything is correct, install the propellers. Once pre-flight preparation is complete, the drone is ready for takeoff. The G30 is Skydroid's latest generation product. It uses a Qualcomm 6nm processor and runs Android 14, ensuring smooth operation and an open ecosystem that supports most apps on the market. The new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.45.8G dual-band wireless module supports automatic frequency hopping and MCS dynamic adjustment, achieving an image and data transmission range of up to 30 kilometers. The CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller features an H7 processor with dual floating point computation, a new dual industrial-grade IMU redundant design, and an innovative stacked structure. It is small in size yet rich in interfaces, with an integrated Ethernet port and a highly integrated stack design. It is about the size of a coin and weighs only 33.8 g. With its compact and refined structure, it can be easily installed on FPV drones, micro-helicopters and other compact aircraft. Installation is convenient and meets most expansion requirements. In terms of stability and responsiveness, whether commanding the drone to hover, fly smoothly, or perform maneuvers that require precise control, the controller responds quickly and accurately. Even in slightly windy conditions, the drone can firmly hold its position. In this flight test, the CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller and the Skydroid G30 Remote Controller delivered outstanding performance. Their stable control, sensitive handling, smooth response and comfortable grip provided strong assurance for an excellent flight experience. This concludes the Skydroid G30 and CUAV 7 Nano flight test video. Thank you for watching. If there is more content you'd like to learn about, Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.